Hi, and welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to tell you what happened to my VW. The relay, I could hear it clicking, but the horn wasn't working. Now, you may not even have a relay clicking, so you want to locate your fuse, which this one's in the engine bay. It's location number 15. It's a 20 amp fuse. So if you want to check that, if nothing's clicking or you want to check that first, fine. Now there's a little holder just left of the steering column by your left knee in the driver's side, and behind this is where the relay is for the horn relay. So you're gonna have to use a screwdriver to pry it out. There's two little clips on the side, or tabs I should say, and then you just pull it out. It's like on a hinge. Now inside of here you'll see the 646 where I'm pointing where the screwdriver's at. Those are the relays inside of there. This has dual horns. One is on the driver's side, one's on the passenger side. These are the Torx that are holding the bottom portion, that splash shield underneath, and you unscrew. I think there's 7 of them in total. Now this is underneath the driver's side, and there's a bracket and a connector. The bracket's a 13 millimeter bolt head, and once you get your hand up in there, it's not too hard to get off. Here's a couple tools I used: a screwdriver to get the connector off. Now what I'm pointing to there is the adjustment screw for the horn when they tune it in. Since this one's not working, either one of them, both went out, I'm going to take off the adjustment screw cover, and then I'm going to go ahead and manipulate it with this. It's also Torx. I screwed it in a little bit, like a quarter or half turn, and then screwed it back out and screwed it back in a little bit more, and it started working. Also, this is the second horn on the passenger side. It's mounted the same way, the bracket. So I took them both down. I cleaned them up to get a better ground. I adjusted both of them, and now we're reassembling everything. And once that right there, you just put it back on the hinge, push it in, and then the clips, the plastic will just go ahead and hold it in. Now on the VW, you have to have the key inserted in order for the horn circuit to work. And there we go. It's repaired. Good luck. Thank you. And like the video and subscribe. Take care.